It was here at my house. I grabbed the rake and put on a pair of gloves, and my daughter came out, my older daughter came out and joined me. I say, well, Marilee, you don't have any gloves on. So I took my gloves off and gave them to my daughter. A little bit, we finished up, and I go in the house and I look at my hand, and I felt like I got bit by a fire ant. But then 3 days later, I look at my hand, keeps getting bigger and more swollen, and it was 3 times the size of my left hand. So I knew something bad had happened in my backyard. I went in to see my doctor. He said, go to the hospital right now.
He got an infection, got started on antibiotics, and he assumed that it would clear up very quickly. But instead, it got rapidly worse over a period of just a day or two and became a limb-threatening and a life-threatening injury. He had infection that was down deep to the skin level, down around the tendons, and was spreading up into the arm through the veins. The only way to treat such an injury is by extensive and rapid surgery to clear the infection, clear all the infected tissues that are involved, and to minimize the damage to those tissues to prevent it from becoming a permanent injury.
Yeah, how are you doing?
I'm good, thank you.
Nice to see you again.
I had seven nights in the hospital, so it was a lot. Medical City McKinney, they just did a fabulous job for me. The quality and the care I got, and the doctors were really outstanding. And I was just totally impressed with the nurses, and they were like just beyond fantastic.
Ira's great passion, of course, is golf, and if you have damage to your hand that prevents you to be able to grip the golf club effectively, that can eliminate your ability to play, and he's very happy to be getting back onto the links.
You know, it was a blessing that they handled me so quick. Medical City McKinney. I was really impressed.